Hey guys, hope you're doing well and having a good holiday season, however you may choose to celebrate it. Wanted to make a quick video before the year wraps up and just say a couple of things. The first one is thank you so much for coming and watching my channel and all that kind of stuff this year. Really means a lot. I just can't really believe that the community grew as much as it did. We added over 13,000 new subscribers to the channel, which is just fantastic. And my hope is, of course, that the stuff that I'm producing is providing value for you and you're getting things out of it. So I'm going to keep doing more of that. The other thing that I see in this community, and I really do think of it as a community, you know, I think it's a group of like-minded folks that just want to edit photos, have fun, be creative, doing that kind of stuff. And even though they're my videos, I really think that this community is about you guys. I often see different folks interacting with each other in the comments and helping each other, and I just love that. It's fantastic. So please keep doing that. I made 200 videos this year, which is really just a lot, but I had fun doing it. It's a labor of love and something that I plan to continue doing, obviously, for as long as I can. And on that note, in 2021, in addition to doing more stuff on Luminar, which I love and continue to just adore and make videos about, and we'll keep doing that, I also want to get back to doing videos around Topaz and On1 and DxO and the Nik collection. I've got a couple of other tools I'm looking at. I'm still, sorry, I'm hiking. Gotta watch my step here. I'm still looking at alternatives to Lightroom, and I'm working through that process kind of slowly, which is okay. I'm not in a hurry, but I'll keep sharing what I experiment with and that sort of thing. So I've got a couple of other products that I've been kind of playing with lately that will be probably showing up in some first impression videos. But my point was, I've done a lot of Luminar stuff lately, and while I love it and will continue doing it, I do want to circle back around and do some other things as well. There's a lot of other products that I like and I use, and I want to make sure that I'm trying to provide some content around them as well. I've had a lot of people comment and say, hey, thanks for the Luminar videos. Can you go back to doing videos on other things as well? And the answer is yes. That is part of the plan for 2021. And that really leads me into my last point, and that is, if you have specific things you're looking for, ideas, whether it's products and just general info about those products, or if it's specific, you know, tips, tricks, or workflow ideas with certain products, please leave that in the comments. I'm always getting suggestions for future videos from you guys, which I love, and a lot of times those will turn into videos. So if you have ideas, please drop it in the comments down below and let me know. And I'll take a look at that and see what some of the more popular things are, and then work those into future videos. So having said all that, I just wanted to say thank you. It's been an amazing year for me here on YouTube, and even though it's been a weird year everywhere else, I always had this community to come back to, make videos for, share ideas with, and interact with via the comments. And it's just made the year a whole lot better, to be honest. So thank you for that. I really appreciate it. And I'll be back really soon with more videos. I've just been taking this week off to kind of chill, relax, recharge, and do some planning for 2021. And it'll be here soon, my friends. All right, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves out there. Thanks again for making 2020 a wonderful year here on YouTube. And I'll see you later. Adios.